Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that's sparking imaginations and raising some fascinating questions: the reality of physical AI and humanoid robots. For a long time, the idea of robots that look and act like us has been the stuff of science fiction. We've seen them in movies, read about them in books, and they've often been portrayed as either helpful companions or formidable adversaries. But what's actually happening in the real world? The truth is, we're seeing incredible advancements. Companies and researchers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating robots that are becoming increasingly sophisticated. These aren't just clunky machines anymore. We're talking about robots with advanced dexterity, capable of performing complex tasks that were once thought to be exclusively human. Think about delicate assembly lines, intricate surgical assistance, or even helping with tasks in environments that are too dangerous for people. The AI part of physical AI is where things get truly exciting. It's not just about the physical form, it's about the intelligence that drives it. These robots are learning, adapting, and making decisions. They're being programmed with sophisticated algorithms that allow them to perceive their surroundings, understand commands, and even learn from their experiences. This means they can become more efficient and effective over time, truly becoming partners in various endeavors. Now, it's natural to have questions and even some apprehension when we see something that so closely mimics human form and capability. It's bound to make us think about our own roles and the future of work, and that's a healthy conversation to have. The key takeaway here is that these developments are largely driven by a desire to augment human capabilities, not replace them entirely. Imagine a future where robots handle the repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding jobs, freeing up humans to focus on creativity, critical thinking, and interpersonal connections, the things that truly make us human. This technology has the potential to improve safety in workplaces, assist individuals with mobility challenges, and even accelerate scientific discovery. It's a journey of innovation, and like any significant technological leap, it requires careful consideration and ethical development. The focus is on building tools that can serve humanity, making our lives better, safer, and more productive. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore this incredible frontier. It's a rapidly evolving field, and I'm excited to see where it takes us. If you found this discussion interesting, please consider following for more insights into the technologies shaping our world.